Unlock your earning potential joining the Walmart affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program known as affiliates receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart products and maximizing your earning too. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart by type in walmart.com. As you can see, Walmart is offering various or a lot of product, a range of products every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more with low prices. And as I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channel. But how we can do that? Wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. So let's talk more about affiliate program for that. You can come to this page, which is affiliates.walmart.com. Here we have informations if you want more details about the affiliate program. Let's see what we have here. So if you want to earn commissions, you can become a Walmart affiliate by signing up. We have here these three steps. If you're gonna get started, you can just sign up, then you connect your audience to product they love, and then you will earn your money. Let's scroll down over here. Let's see some advantages of being member in this program. For example, you will receive a weekly newsletter with banners, links, and information. You'll also receive access to the affiliate member center, and you'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account team members. Let's see over here before we sign up what we have here. So first of all, we have the security and privacy. If you want to more understand about the website or more have information and terms and conditions. And here we have if AQs, frequently asked questions. You can just read the questions and their answers to know more about this program. So as I said, we have here security and privacy. You can read here and get more information. Let's see over here, we have terms and conditions. All you have to do is read that and you will know more about this program. So let's come back to the home page to sign up. So all what you have to do is click here, sign up. As you can see, we have here your user information. You can just fill in your first name, your last name, your email. You confirm your email address and then you will write your username, your password, and then you confirm your password to move to the next step is your company information. Moving to next step, company information, we have here account display name, your website, your street address, and your apartment suite. It's a optional field, and here we have city, state, zip code, country, phone number, time zone, and currency. So all you have to do the same thing You will fill in this field to move to promotion and media. After you finish the company information, you will fill in this information related to promotion and media. We have here main promotional method. As you can see, there is a various method here. We have here content reviews, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, social influencer, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, cross audience monetization. You will choose the one that suits you more and the one uh, it will help you more to earn your money. So for example, we'll choose here network and then moving to the secondary promotional method. As you can see, there is a lot of method here. We have here email marketing, search engine marketing, loyalty rewards program, and whatever of promotional method you can choose that one which suits you more. Let's say, for example, for email marketing, for people who didn't understand, if you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate link and then make purchases. For example, let's see another example. We have here social media influencer. If you have a lot of followers, you can utilize your social media channel such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote Walmart's products. Share affiliate links along with engaging caption, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. Then finally, you will select your promoting country. Once you've entered all the required information, review your application to ensure everything is accurate and submit your application for review. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboards. Here you'll find tools and resources to help you to get started with promoting Walmart products and tracking your earning. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboard. By following these tips, guys, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.